Shavasana, legs on the chair, elbows down. Shalabhasana, and the hand holding here for forward extension. 2, 3. Now dropping the head. Palm. Sit in Vajrasana. There are two types of people. One is Samridh, another one is Daridra. Okay? Now who is Samridh and who is Daridra? Anyone? समृद्ध कौन है? जो धनी है. और दरिद्र कौन है? जो गरीब है. सिंपल वर्ड में. लेकिन धनी कौन है? यदि आप किसी इंसान के पास गए और आप छोटा महसूस करने लगे उस इंसान के पास जाने के बाद, तो वो पर्सन दरिद्र है, क्योंकि आपको वो छोटा दिखा रहा है, वो समृद्ध नहीं है. जो धनी होगा, जो समृद्ध होगा, वो हमेशा आपको बड़ा दिखाएगा, ऊपर दिखाएगा. समझ आ रहा मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? आप कितने भी धनी हैं, लेकिन आपके कोई सामने एक यदि गरीब इंसान भी आता है, उसको भी आप कैसे अपनी दृष्टि से ऊपर लेके जाओ. आप सोच सकते हैं ना, ये भगवान का ही अवतार होगा एक फकीर के वेश में. हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है? हो सकता है. लेकिन यदि आपकी दृष्टि उसको देख नहीं पाएगी तो बड़ा अन्याय हो जाएगा. तो समृद्ध कौन है और दरिद्र कौन है, इसका जो परख होता है वो विवेक की वजह से होता है. और विवेक कैसे काम करता है? प्राणिक एनर्जी से. And that's how yoga is helping you to uplift your pranic energy so that you become samridh and you make others samridh. Go back to Parvatasana as you exhale. So you want to grow or you want your country to grow? Your action is growing only you or whole society? From here, moving the right foot to the outer left chair, and get your left leg to the right side of the mat. Opening the chest, get the chin up. 1, 2. ये पलक भी हिलता नहीं है. यदि सच्चे योगी बन जाओगे तो पलक भी नहीं हिलेगा. 2. तो पाथ कैसे चेंज होगा? 3, 4, 5. From here, bend this right knee. Bend the right knee without lifting the back heel. Without lifting the back heel. Bend this right knee. 1, 2, strong calf muscles. 3. Now raise the heel, back heel. Rest the right thigh on the seat of the chair. Keep twisting. Left hand to the right handle and right hand to the right seat of the chair. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now from here, taking the back leg back behind. That means towards the props, towards your props. Check the right knee, right ankle, right foot and left leg all in line. Now from here, raising your both the hands up. 1. Parallel hands away from the ear. 2, 3. Now dropping the head, palms together. Hold here, called Virabhadrasana. 1 with the chair, the warrior position. 2, 3, 4, 5. Open the hands to warrior 2, but in a twist. Warrior 2 in a twist towards Shiva, Yes, do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Parshav, Konasana, fix the back foot. Get your right elbow to right inner thigh. A right palm to the left side of the chair. Turn the left foot inward, left heel outward. Extend the left hand over the head. 1, 2. Left leg and left hand over the head and countering each other with the energy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here, bend this elbow to catch the back handle of the chair. Now this elbow and that foot coordinating with each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release, relaxed, turn. Both legs to the other side of the chair. Sit straight and tall, raising your both hands higher to the ceiling. Ekam, 1, 2, 2, 3. Now, from here, move the toes up. Move your toes up. Toes up and twist. Toes up and twist. Balancing on the heels. Balancing on your heels. Move the foot up. Heels balanced. Heels balanced and move the sole. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Come back. Now from your left leg is forward and right leg is back. Your foot alignment. Now raise the right hand up. Raise the right hand up. From here, shift to the handle of the chair. That means to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming back to the central position for Virabhadrasana 1. Warrior 1, palms together, upward, head downward, Drishti Angushtha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opening your both hands to the sideways. Take your hands back, interlace the fingers, stretch away, hands to your thighs, the straight legs. Ekam, dve, trini. Left hand, left handle of the chair, right hand, right handle of the chair. Twisting. 1, 2, 3. Release the left hand to open up. 4, 5, 6, 7. Parshav Konasana. Press the leg, left elbow, inner left thigh. Straighten the right hand over the head. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha. Bend this elbow to hold the back of the chair. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha, shat, sapta. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Ardha Uttanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right foot on the top of the chair. On the top of the chair, and get your left foot in the center of the mat. From here, palms on each other, kick the heel and shift to the handle. 1, when you kick your heel, see that your inner foot is pushed out. 2, 3, 4, 5, palms on each other. 6, 7, 8. If you are more flexible, find your foot. 6, 7. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend the front knee without lifting your back heel. Just turn the foot and shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back heel down. 6, 7. It's 9? Okay. From here, get your knee and ankle in one straight line. Place your right hand down and lift the left hand over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn back. Just turn back. Straighten the right leg. Engage the quad muscles. Very important for knee safety. Your knee health. Your knees health. Tuck out the toes, Pankaj. Your knees health depends on hamstring, calf, shin, and upper thighs, and the glute. If knee is tortured, the lower back is the cause. Turn around and change the leg. Getting your left foot forward, straighten the left heel, raising the hands, changing the palms and the hand, holding here for forward extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place it over the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Without losing the back heel, turn the foot slightly outward, bend the knee, get your heel back to shift forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Standing upright, get the heel and your knee in line. Turn this foot, move your hand down and up. Ekam, lengthening up over the head. Dve, over the head. Trini, Chatvari. Ashokji, hand forward. Akash. Pancha, Shat, Sapta. Stand, turn around. 1, point the toes outward. 2, turn the toes. Geeta ma'am, your warm up and this class, God has a relation? Just analyze and tell me after the class. 2, point the toes outward. 3, 4, 5, open the chest. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit down in Malasana. Extend the hands back. 1, palms facing downward. 2, 3, 4, knees wider. 5, 6, Isha, walk forward. 7, hands straight. 8, 9, 10. Drop the knees down. Stand on the knees. Ushtrasana. 1, go back. Knees with the knees. With the knees. Shift the navel forward. Drop the head down. 1. He does not talk, but the body talks well for Pankaj. 2, 3. Shift the lower back forward. If you have to move your knees back, move the knees back because it is Ustrasana. Ustrasana, move the knees back and your knees in line. 2. Knees and your hip in line. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shalabhasana, legs on the chair, elbows down. Shalabhasana, elbows down, chest down, lower back down. Under the chin, a right palm and back, a left palm. Right palm down, left palm back of the right palm. Navel down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.